So you guys, I am back. Now this is going to be the other video. This video is going to be called shrimp fried rice, or my first time attempting shrimp fried rice, okay, at home. I've never done this before. So I've got some butter going in the pan back here. And I told you guys I was going to use the half of the package of shrimp that I had because I did not get enough shrimp. And this is the package that I got it from. Because the first video I want to put it, you should see, you're going to see how this goes. So we should see the green curry shrimp go out first. And let me get these eggs going here. I had a bottle of soy sauce, but unfortunately it had expired, so I found some packets. And you don't want a lot of soy sauce anyway because it's very, very high in sodium. And you don't want to do that to yourself. You know, you gotta try to cook healthy, you know. So I gotta see if we still have those. We probably still have those mixed vegetables. I think. Get rid of that white part of the egg, guys. Stir that up real good. The shrimp, I want to add a little Old Bay onto the shrimp there. I've got that boiling bag rice. That's about to come out. 1 second here. Okay, got some parsley going. That looks nice and pretty, doesn't it? I'm gonna get these cut up. Got the boiling bag. I have a rice cooker. My rice cooker and my slow cooker all combined in one. So this is what I'm going to do, y'all. I don't know. I do not know how this is going to turn out. Uh-oh. Sorry, guys. I need some new tripods and things. Alright, so I cut open the bag of rice and we'll put this in there. And sorry guys, it fell on you. Okay, I put the rice in there. This is peas and carrots. I love that they have these pop tops. I'm gonna drain the liquid. Throw that in there. Okay, I hope you guys can see. Alright, so I'm going to get these soy sauce packets cut up here. Making a mess, making a mess. That's alright. Alright guys, so let's see here. Like I said, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I believe, you know, this is how it's going to go. It makes sense in my head. Alright, so what I'll do is pour the eggs in the middle. like I said, I did not get enough shrimp, so what I'm going to do is cut some of these up in little pieces there. I'll probably leave a couple whole. That way everybody gets one whole one, and the cool thing about these, they were already peeled and deveined. The tail was still on, but I just kind of pushed that out of there. And I'm sure when you make your stuff at home, it's much healthier. Anyway, it's just that everybody wants convenience. There. Yeah, that's what I first started my channel, is cooking videos. I might be getting back to that a little bit. So I think I used my rice cooker one time, and the rice, it came out alright. Oh, my time is about to cut off. Hold on, guys. Alrighty, guys. I was running out of time there. So this is what it's looking like so far. Looks pretty good, right? So I'm just going to add some more Old Bay in there. Get that egg going. Looks nice and healthy. And you guys know, for shrimp, you don't have to cook it that long, so. So we'll have some dinner for a couple days, or snacks. Little girl, she made shrimp fried rice. Turned out real good. I don't know what she was in here doing. Should have been watching her. I said I was going to call her Peanut, but I don't know if that's going to stick. I was supposed to call her that from when she was a baby, because she was only 5 pounds. 5 pounds, 13 ounces. And her birthday is tomorrow. She probably was like the smallest baby in there today. They actually had to induce me because she wasn't growing anymore. And she wasn't a preemie. She was an on-term baby. Full term. Alrighty, guys. So, looks done to me. It don't take that long for the shrimp. And that's my problem, is I usually overcook things. Just because I want to make sure they're done. But I definitely know with seafood, you don't have to overcook. This would be good with some chicken in there. Like they call your house fried rice. You put the lobster in there. Looks pretty good, huh? Looks pretty good, eh? Yeah, I'd say.